Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Zone. Making money doesn't have to be a scary challenge. Now, with the age of the internet upon us, we can just work from our own homes. There are plenty of options out there for remote work. You can have just about any skill and find a job that's best for you. The flexibility of online work is also a plus. You can be your own boss, schedule your own work hours, and decide how much or how little you want to earn. It just takes a little bit of effort, and you've got yourself an online job. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 20 best ways to make money from home. Make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss out on the top 20 best ways to make money from home. Number 20, proofreading. Do you like reading? You can turn it into a job. Proofreading requires you to read drafts and figure out if there are any typos or grammatical errors in them. This is a great job because there is almost always someone looking for a proofreader, and you have flexible time schedules. You can also set your own price, and you can also rise it once you start to get more customers. It's a simple job, and the money is really worth it. Number 19, become a virtual bookkeeper. According to Forbes, bookkeeping is one of the most profitable businesses out there. Bookkeepers can earn $69 to $82 an hour on average. Why wouldn't you want to turn this into an online business? To be a virtual bookkeeper, you need an understanding of data entry and financial records. Other than that, people will rarely ask for any certifications. So if you find the right clients, just about anyone can hold this job. Number 18, start a blog. Blogs are everywhere. Did you know you can use them to make money? Yes, they are easy to set up too. So, consider running your own blog. You can use websites like WordPress to start out. Then, find affiliate programs such as the one from Amazon and advertise their products on your blog. Every purchase via your blog post means a commission for you. It isn't quick cash or highly lucrative, but it is really good if you need some extra change now and then. Number 17, become a transcriptionist. Transcription jobs are everywhere on the web. You can even advertise a freelance transcription gig on sites like Fiverr. To be a transcriptionist, you need a sharp ear and some concentration. Listen to the recording and write down according to standard templates. After you get the hang of the mechanics and grammar, it becomes a really simple job. And you can do it from home. Check out sites like Transcribe Me for great, flexible work. Number 16, become a freelance writer. Do you like to write? Did you know that being a writer is a great freelance career? There are endless types of writing you can do, from transcriptions to technical to ebook writer. The possibilities extend as far as your skill and imagination. These jobs can actually pay a lot too, so it is a good career to look into. You can create gigs that offer to write a story for someone, or write your own content and sell it. Either way, you'll be earning. Number 15, become a dog walker. Dog walking doesn't sound like a job you would do from home. The truth is, it really isn't. But you can advertise a dog walking service from home. There are plenty of websites out there, such as Rover, where you can find local clients. You can then utilize the internet to gather customers and set your schedule. This is a great starter since you won't have to fully commit to the work-at-home lifestyle until things really start to take off. It can also be highly lucrative. Number 14, sell clothes online. Online shops pop up all the time. You can buy just about anything online. Clothes are a great item to sell because they're always in demand. You can use sites such as Etsy, eBay, Depop, and even Amazon to sell your clothes. You can thrift for cheap clothes and sell the clothes for more to make a large profit. Many people have started this kind of side hustle, and some can even earn a full living just by doing this. Whether it's secondhand or new clothes, they are bound to sell. Number 13, become an online personal trainer. On the web, you can teach just about anything. If you're into fitness, this online job is really for you. You can become a personal trainer from the comfort of your living room. Many people are looking for personal trainers, and with this method, you can get customers from all around the globe. Just find a way to advertise your service and start getting customers. This is a great job because of the flexibility with the schedule and prices. It's all up to you. Get working. Number 12, design and sell crafts. Crafts seem to be highly popular. They are always in demand, so why not try selling some? Find your niche and start getting artsy. Websites like Etsy are great for selling crafts. In addition, you can use a website like Redbubble if you want to sell just a design and have everything else taken care of. The possibilities are nearly endless with this kind of work, so try it out and see what's right for you. Number 11, start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is where you take the inventory of a certain company and have them ship it to a third-party retailer. This has turned into a modern-day career for many. It's simple once you get the hang of it and can pay you quite a handsome amount. This can take a while to turn a profit, but it is definitely worth it. Dropshipping requires quite a bit of your time, so keep that in mind when you want to start this kind of work. Number 10, become a virtual travel agent. A virtual travel agent is just how it sounds, a travel agent that works remotely. You'll be answering inquiries and helping with the booking of flights and planning of trips. This can be quite a simple task, but it does take up quite a bit of your time. It also pays well, like many other virtual jobs. Consider this job if you love working in the travel industry but want to do all of that work from the comfort of your living room couch. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection and a working headset and get to work. Number 9. Flipping for a profit. Flipping is where you buy low and sell high. You can do this with just about anything, and with the internet, you can do it online. You can flip furniture, clothes, even bargain items from your local Walmart. Find something cheap and make it look nice. Sell it for a good profit and advertise it on sites like eBay and Amazon. The flexibility is that you can choose your profit margin because you'll be setting your own price. The creativity to sell just about anything is a plus for many people. But what everyone truly loves is the money that they can earn from flipping. Number 8. Become a graphic designer. Graphic design is a great career for freelancing. You can be your own boss and start selling your services online. People are always on the lookout for logo designers, business card designers, and flyer designers, and more. You can advertise your services on sites like Fiverr. Have a portfolio ready because customers want to see what your style is and if it fits their needs. Expand your knowledge with your applications and become more reputable to gain newer clients and boost your sales. Number 7. Become a virtual receptionist. Receptionists can also work from home. A virtual receptionist is similar to a virtual assistant. You'll be answering phone calls, handling client inquiries, and providing customer service, amongst other receptionist tasks. You will be working close to customers, so you need great people skills. But this can all be done from your home, and it pays well. Number 6. Teach English online. Teaching online is very popular amongst people looking for online jobs. It's easy to find on websites like ACADSOC, and they are always hiring. The qualifications are that you just need a basic understanding of the English language and a stable internet connection. You can choose to do this part-time or full-time, and the earnings are huge. Teaching English can help you get some extra income, or can even be how you make your living. Number 5. Become an Airbnb host. Airbnb is getting so popular that some hotels have been losing customers because of the competition. If you have a second house or a spare room, try renting it out for Airbnb. This can earn you thousands of dollars a month if you have some great photos and nice amenities advertised on your page. You can start out small, then invest in a second house, then start earning big. This is a great online job that many people have been considering. Number 4. Social media manager. Companies and influencers are always on the lookout for someone that can help manage their online presence. You can get paid a lot of money for this job. You just need an understanding of how social media works and how to advertise either products or people. It is a simple enough job, but it does take quite a bit of time. You'll be posting updates, posting stories, and even replying to direct messages. The work is definitely worth the pay though. Number 3. Become a photographer. Photography is a great hobby to have, but it can also be an amazing career. You can advertise your photography services from home. You can use ads or post to Facebook groups. Many people want photos taken during weddings, graduations, and birthdays, so keep that in mind when setting a schedule. One day of work can earn you hundreds of dollars, so set a few days a month with gigs and you can be set for a decent living. Number 2. Start an Amazon FBA business. Amazon's FBA means fulfilled by Amazon. This means you sell something and give your entire inventory to the Amazon warehouse for them to take care of. It is basically an online shop where you don't have to do any packaging or shipping. It's a great way to earn big, and if you find the right niche, you can make a great living off of it. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants hold many tasks, from answering phone calls to helping with travel plans. These tasks are usually simple and don't require any prerequisites. These jobs are popular with the work from home crowd. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.